Hi, No Ataxia Nation. Happy Thoughtful Tuesday. Did you know that your phone has accessibility features? Well, if you're like the majority of people in the country, you either have an iPhone or you have a Samsung, and both of those phones have accessibility features built in. You just have to know where to find them and what they do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a link to both companies' accessibility website pages so that you can see what they offer, where it's located on your phone, and how to use it. I was playing around with this the other day. I have an iPhone, and I was really impressed at the way they organize the information. It's organized by category, so if I'm having problems with my vision, there's a bunch of things that I can do to make it more accessible. Same thing for hearing and also motion. So I was really impressed, and I'm sure that Samsung does something very similar in how they organize their information. So like I said, I'm going to link to those pages for you so that you too can learn how to make your phone more accessible. I also want to let you know that Apple takes accessibility really seriously, and they have a whole page dedicated to, well, actually, they have a whole page, but they also have a whole team dedicated to accessibility, and they take feedback. So I'm going to link to that page as well, and that will provide you with an email address so that if you have an iPhone and you have some recommended improvements for accessibility features, you can send them an email and let them know. I hope you found this information helpful. Have a great rest of your Thoughtful Tuesday. And until next time, be safe and stay well.